Hi, my name is Keisha, the automated assistant calling from National Commercial Bank. Is it a good time to talk to you?
Hi, yes, it is.
And how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Thank you for asking.
That's great. You had shown an interest in a Visa Classic card from us. Can I ask you a few questions to check your eligibility?
Sure, please go ahead.
Okay, good. Do you have an existing credit card?
Currently, I have a couple of them.
And are you currently working?
Yes, I am.
Okay, perfect. So, how long has it been that you have been continuously working without a gap?
Almost around 5 years.
Okay, great. Also, can you share with me your gross monthly income?
Sure, that's around $80,000.
Thanks. And do you have any bad debt or had any bad debt in the past?
No, I'd say no.
Was your balance paid in full? And has 12 months passed since your settlement?
Yes,
Congratulations, you have qualified for a credit card product.